Hey everyone, I got here is a Whirlpool dryer, and as you can see here, the door sill is broken. So I'm gonna replace this one with this one here. I got this off Amazon for $20. It comes with a glue already, so hopefully it's good enough to last maybe 2 to 3 years. This original seal here lasted about 2 to 3 years, so I figure might as well get the cheaper one, and hopefully it'll last the same amount of time. Alright, so it needs to be replaced, and I'm gonna show you how I replace it. Alright, so what we need, either a flathead screwdriver or a spatula, plastic. So it's best to use a plastic. You don't want to scratch the metal cover here, so avoid scratching. So try and find a spot where you can start removing it. Let's see if I can just pull it from here. Yeah, I can pull it from here. I think I'm gonna need a plier. I don't have a grip there. So I got a plier here. Now I got it out. Should be easy. There you go. Now I'm going to see if I can remove the residue here. Not coming out. You can leave the residue there, or you could try to scrape it out if possible. If it doesn't come out, you can just leave it there. So alright, so I cleaned the whole area with just water. The residue is not too bad, so I'm just gonna leave that. Maybe this one, it comes up. Yeah, come here. Anyway, in the old one, this part here was here, so I'm just gonna keep the same orientation, and it fits well right there. It feels like a little bit. It might be a little bit smaller than the old one. Here's the old one, but yeah, it should work. Anyway, I'm gonna put the glue. We got it. Smells like glue. So I'm just gonna put glue here. You put this thing here to keep the glue smaller. And I already messed up here, so clean that out first. I'm just gonna remove that thing, and I want it to go. I want a bigger bead. I took the cover off because the bead was too small. It's not really clear, it's yellow. Don't get anything else anywhere else. So try not to get glue on the face of your new seal. So let's start here first. Then I'm going to continue putting glue. Should be enough. Get it out. Now I got glue up here. Pick it up while you can. Now push it. The glue is very sticky, it's already sticking. My bad was I didn't push this hard enough when I first started. I should have. Now I gotta scrape this glue out before it dries hard. It was hard to take up. Make sure you don't damage the new seal. This is just water. Good. The glue came out. Alright, so I'm just gonna let this dry and it should be good to go. Gonna let it cure for 24 hours. I'm gonna close it maybe in like 5-6 hours. I'm gonna close the door. Alright, that's how you replace the door sill for a dryer. My dryer is a Whirlpool brand. It should work with this type of dryer, any dryer that has this type of door and a seal. Alright, so that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I hope this helped, and I see you next time. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Good night or goodbye.